Hello, boys and girls. My name is Lander,
and Seiki.
and I am going to present Japan.
Capital city. The capital city of Japan is Tokyo. Continent is located in Asia. Population. It has 127 million inhabitants. Language. The language of Japan is Japanese. There are 124 million speakers. Size. It is 377 million thousand square kilometers. Flag is Dalet Hinomaru. It's a white rectangular with a red circle in the center. The flag involves and Japan's nickname is a land of the rising sun. Nintendo. Wii U is a home video game from Nintendo that's varying with game and you can enjoy alone or with friends and family. It comes with a unique controller that relieves the dynamic of playing.
Religion. The religion in Japan is the Shintoism. Interesting facts. Japan is made up of 6,852 islands. Major cities: Osaka, Nagoya, and Sapporo. Ancient warriors of Japan were known as samurais. Their main weapon was the katana. Japan is an industrialized nation. They're producing some of the most technology advanced. For example, machines, tools, electronics, and motorcycles. Some of the most well-known companies are Japanese. For example, Toshiba, Toyota, Sony, Nintendo, etc. Japan is home to many different martial arts. For example, ninjutsu, judo, sumo, and karate. Currency. The currency of Japan is the yen.
Emperor Akihito. President. The Prime Minister of Japan and Government of Japan. The Prime Minister of Japan is Moro Enjoy and Pride. Japanese food. Sushi is the Japanese corporation of serving wok with one ingredient, meat, a tropical fruit, chili season, and vegetable. Tempura. It's a food deep fried in vegetable, mixture of eggs and some of the ingredients. Use a fish of season and vegetable. Tempura is
What do you have? Here we have.
Here we have